Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this Python interview questions sequence, the next question, 21st question, what we have here is how to create, how to create an empty list, how to create an empty list and a list with one or more elements. It is a bit important interview question. Okay, even for the tuple, for the set, all these things, because there are some loopholes are there. That's why I'm taking this question. How to create a empty list? First, I want to demonstrate with example. Later, I will give the syntax. See, if you want to create an empty list, we can take directly L1 is equal to like this. Is it a list or not? I want to print L1. Okay, I want to print L1, comma, type of L1. Sir, what output we are going to get? Empty list, and it is of type class list. Like this we have. How to create a list with only one element? L2 is equal to, I am taking like this. Is it a list or not? Definitely it is a list. If you want, you can see L2 comma type of L2. So it is having only one element called 10. Type is nothing but what? List. Like this we have. Now I'm creating another list with 10 comma 2. How many elements are there here? Multiple elements are there. So this is nothing but how you can able to create empty list, a list with one element, list with more than one element. So what is the syntax? If you want to create empty list, simply we can take L is equal to like this, which creates an empty list. If you want to create a list with one element, how you can able to create? L is equal to, we have to take that object. Next, list with okay, I want to create a list with multiple elements. How you can create? List is equal to object 1 comma object 2 comma object 3 comma object 4 and so on. You can provide any number of objects. This is the way how to create empty list, list with one object, list with more than one object. I think it is a very simple. Okay, I hope you understood the scenario very clearly. Okay, thank you friends.